Imagine waking up one morning and realizing that the way you work, communicate, and make decisions has completely changed. The surprising part is, it didn't happen overnight, but slowly, quietly, and powerfully through the rise of AI. Over the next 5 years, artificial intelligence will transform everyday work in ways most people are not prepared for. It will reshape tasks we once thought only humans could do and introduce new efficiencies that will redefine what productivity even means. From the moment you log into your computer, AI will be operating in the background like an invisible coworker. It will sort your emails, predict your priorities, and summarize meetings you missed. AI will even prepare your daily work plan based on your habits and performance patterns. Traditional job roles will evolve into hybrid models where humans and AI collaborate side by side. Marketing teams will rely on AI to generate creative ideas and analyze audience behavior. Healthcare professionals will use AI to diagnose diseases faster than ever. Lawyers will use AI to draft documents in seconds. Customer service departments will use AI avatars that can handle thousands of conversations simultaneously. Instead of spending hours on repetitive tasks, employees will shift their energy towards strategy, creativity, human interaction, and oversight. These are areas where human judgment is still essential. Remote work will become more efficient as AI tools instantly transcribe meetings, assign action items, and analyze team productivity. This will make it easier for companies in the USA, UK, Canada, and Australia to operate seamlessly across time zones. Personal AI assistants will become universal. They will be capable of booking appointments, generating reports, designing presentations, analyzing financials, and helping workers learn new skills in real time. Even industries like construction, logistics, and manufacturing will be transformed by AI-powered robots, predictive systems, and automation. These advancements will reduce accidents and boost precision. But as AI takes over routine tasks, the real challenge for workers will be upskilling. They will need to learn how to work with AI rather than competing against it. The next 5 years will reward those who can leverage AI tools to amplify their abilities. Those who ignore the shift may fall behind in a world that is moving faster than any technological era before. Whether it's hyper-personalized learning paths, AI-driven career guidance, or smart systems that help employees avoid burnout, the workplace will feel more optimized, more intuitive, and more data-driven than ever. As AI weaves deeper into daily workflows, companies will have to rethink leadership, teamwork, creativity, and accountability. This will lead to a future where decisions are more informed, collaboration is more seamless, and innovation happens at lightning speed. The real question is not whether AI will change everyday work, it's whether we are ready to adapt, evolve, and harness its power to build careers that thrive in the next generation of intelligent technology.
Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Keep watching and stay tuned. Bye-bye.